Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of, you can see the embossing here, maybe the sticker from HoloTaco. So we're gonna open this, take that out. So the first thing I have here is, this is the smoothing base. Come on, focus. Focus on. There we go. Really excited to try using that. And then I have this lemon sucker. This is from the collection that came out in June. The rainbow collection. This is Purple with Envy, and I believe this is one of the multi-chromes. Yes, from the collection that just dropped. Oh, there's a little bit of the shift. Really excited about that. I love Christine's nail polish line. It's just gorgeous. Oh, and there she is. This is Got Cake. This is the limited edition polish that was released for Simply Nailogical's birthday. Oh, it's so pretty. I am very much looking forward to putting this on my nails. And let's break down the box. Pull this out. I absolutely love these boxes that they ship in. I plan on reusing this for Christmas presents. So that's this nail polish haul. I do have another one on the way, which will probably be my last haul for a while. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and enjoying these videos. I mean, they're not very long, but they're important to me. I have fun doing them. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.